welcome to my Embroidery 101 series. In this video we are covering the backstitch. So to start off with, just bring your needle up through from the back of the fabric and then back down through the front just to create a regular stitch at the length that you want all of your stitches to be. And then just bring your needle back up through from the back of the fabric, sort of just like a stitch length away. And then what you're going to do is pop the needle back down through the hole of the previous stitch that you made. And just pull it through. Sometimes you have to give it a tug if you're using all 6 strands of the thread. And that's created a nice backstitch there. So just continue doing that. So bring it up through from the back of the fabric. And then just bring it back down again through the hole of the previous stitch that you made. Just try and keep each of the stitches the same length so that it's nice and even, and just continue this for as long as you need to. So now for your final stitch, just bring your needle up through from the back of the fabric again and then back down through the hole of the previous stitch that you've just made. As you can see, the thread did create a little loop here which I didn't fix. But all you would need to do is just unpick that thread and then do it again. If you would like me to make a full video on how to unpick mistakes, how to deal with knots, do let me know in the comments below. And now, as you can see, I'm just tying off the back of the thread. I've got a full video on how to start and end stitches in different ways in the description box below. But as you can see, I'm just making a little knot, pulling that tight, and then I just snip off the excess thread with some small scissors. I hope that you found this helpful, and you can check out my other tutorials in the playlist below.